Hi students, Mrs. Jenkins here, and we're in week 7 already. I can't believe it. So this is the week 7 announcement. At the beginning of the course, we first looked at the question, what is science? And we determined that science was all around us, from baking cookies to figuring out why the car doesn't start. As we wrap up the course this week, we're going to look at that question again, what is science? But we're going to delve a little deeper. We want to think about, why is science important? How does science benefit society, or even does science harm society? In week 7, we're going to put our particular focus on ethical issues involved in science and why it is important for you to be educated and well informed about these topics. Even science is impacted by politics, and being well informed helps you make well informed political decisions. We don't want to simply be a follower of the pack. Let's do our own research and make the best decisions possible for ourselves, our families, and our community. I hope you enjoy the topics this week and reach out with any questions.